Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Paperclip AI. If your dashboard freezes or you shut down your terminal, you must close out the active runtime memory and spin it back up using your local files. So now go to the terminal window. So this one right here, as you can see, it's running now. So to stop, with Control C, we will kill the active process, just like that. Terminal batch job, yes, just like that. Now, simple thing to do back again is run the server again. So pnpm and then dev, and we will start basically the server from the beginning. And this is pretty much it, how to restart Paperclip AI. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.